Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys 4-step infographics like this in just PowerPoint. So this is tutorial number 169, and this is going to be a very special tutorial because in this tutorial you will see how to create a beautiful infographics like this. This infographics looks really very attractive guys, as I have used a very different color combination over here. And the most important part of this tutorial is you will find the free download link of this PPT in the description box guys. So if you don't find the link over there, then you can connect us on my blog. I will also provide the link of this PPT on my blog. So without wasting any further time guys, let's start creating it. So I'm going to I'm going to click on insert option. Here you will find the new slide option. Just click on that and choose a blank slide. Okay, after choosing this slide, you just have to copy these color samples which I have already put on the previous slide. So I'm going to press Ctrl C and put this color sample over new slide, like pressing Ctrl V on the keyboard. Now we will copy one shape and put it over here for the reference guys, and put it in this side. Okay, for now I'm going to change the background guys. So I'm going to choose a solid background option, and here I'm going to choose so this is how we will set the background. Now we'll start creating this shape guys. So first let me show you guys how I have created this different types of element and combine these element together to get a shape like this. So I'm going to right click over here and ungroup the items. So I'm going to ungroup it, and let me show you these items over here. So we have to create this first, and you can see this whole shape is created with a different type of elements, and I have created each element in each single steps. So I'm going to regroup these items and start creating the shape. So I'm going to click on the insert option. Here you will find the shape option. Just click on that and choose an oval option over here. Just drag it like this to make a parabola like this guys. Okay, so before doing this, just keep it side, and I'm going to put this shape, means this rounded rectangle shape. So I'm going to click on insert option and choose a rounded rectangle shape inside the shape option and drag it over here like this. Now you will find the yellow dot. Just adjust this to make the corner sharper or rounded. So I'm going to put it like this much, and now I'm going to remove the outlines by clicking on this option, no outline. So now we just ready with the shape, and now we'll create this type of effect over here. So I'm going to click on the ellipse option and make it no outline, and choose a different shape fill for this particular shape. So I'm going to choose this one, and now I'm going to rotate it like this. Okay, and put it over here. Right click over here and send it to back. Now right click over here, choose format shape option, and here you will find the transparency option. Just increase the transparency so that you can see the object behind this particular shape. Okay, so I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to set the transparency to this much, 51, and let me drag it over here like this. Before doing this, I will suggest you guys to right click over here and click on the edit point option guys, and here you will find the 8 dot over here. So we will make changes with these 4 dots in the bottom. So I'm going to drag this process will take time guys, because you will have to make a curve like this. So this is done with very care. This you will have to make a curve like this guys, so you will have to do this very carefully. So let me do this. I'm going to shift this dot over here and put this dot over here guys. Okay, so I'm going to drag this over here like this, and drag this handle over here like this. And now let me see. So here you will find the deformation, so I have to recorrect it. So I'm going to click it over here and move this handle something here. So make it smaller and put it over here like this, and duplicate this shape by pressing Ctrl D and put this shape something, make it smaller, like I'm going to make it smaller and put this shape over. I'm going to make this shape smaller guys, like this, and put this shape over here. Now I'm going to drag it over here like this, select the previous oval and press Ctrl and select the new oval and say it subtract like this. So you will have to put this shape over here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to click on insert option. Here you will find the isosceles triangle option. Just click on that and drag a triangle and make it no outline. Now I'm going to rotate it left 90 degree guys, like this, and flip it vertically like this. I'm going to put it over here. Okay, and right click over here and make, let me zoom in, let me fill it with a different color. The shape fill will be this, and make it zoom like this. Now I'm going to make it smaller like this and put this shape over here guys. Right click over here and click on the edit point option. Just you will find 3 dots. So put this dot over here, and now you have to drag this white handle something here. Click on this dot and drag this white handle like this. Again you have to click on this handle and drag this like this, and click on this handle and drag this handle something like this. Okay, so right click over here and send it to back guys. Okay, now remove the transparency and right click over here and send it to back. Again click over here and right click over here and send it to back. So zoom out from here guys, and you will find the shape like this. Okay, so this is what we want guys. So you will have to give the time on this, because each and every step is important and you will have to do it with very carefully. So you'll have to, if you give the time, then you will get a better result from this guys. Okay, I have give the time, I have give a lot of time over here, so I get a better result like this. So you'll have to give the time to get a better result guys. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on insert option and choose a oval shape option from here. Press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it over here like this to make a circle like this. Okay, now I'm going to remove the shape from here and put it over here like this. Before doing this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this oval and make a size something bigger from the previous. Just right click over here and send it to back. Now we'll have to put this oval just behind the blue oval. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose the bigger oval circle and fill it with the gradient fill. Now for the gradient fill, I'm going to choose something this color for the left handle, and for the right handle I'm going to choose some lighter color like this, or maybe some lighter color like this one. Okay, now for this shape I'm going to choose again a gradient fill option, and for the left handle I'm going to choose this color, and for the right handle I'm going to choose a lighter color of this version. So I'm going to choose the same color, and after choosing the same color I'm going to choose the more color option over here and drag this handle to the upper side to make it something lighter like this. Or maybe you can choose the yellow color also over here, or orange color. Let me set the orange color. Yeah, this is perfect. So this is what you have to do guys. You have to do the same thing with this shape. So I'm going to choose the gradient fill option over here, and the shape will automatically fill with these particular options. this particular color. Just make it group by pressing Ctrl G and put it over here like this. Now what you have to do, you just have to choose the bigger oval over here and provide it some shadow effect. Like I'm going to choose this presets over here and make it blur to something this much. Okay, transparency should be more, like I'm going to set it to the 70, and now we're done with this shape. So for this shape I'm going to choose a white color, and you can see a shadow effect over here. So to create a shadow effect I'm going to choose a oval shape option from here and drag it like this, make it no outline option, choose no outline option, and inside the format shape option you will choose this one, effect option. Inside the format shape option you will find shape option. Inside the shape option you will find the effect option, and inside the effect option you will find the soft edges option. Just click on that and choose a preset to 25 points like this. And for now I'm going to choose a color, like I'm going to choose this color for the shadow, or maybe some lighter color like this one. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to rotate it to the 90 degree like this, and you can see I'm going to put it over here. Just right click over here and send it to back. So you'll find a shadow effect over here. You can choose some lighter version of this color, guys. So I'm suggesting you to choose this one. Press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy of this shape, this shadow actually, and make it rotate it to the 90 degree left and put it over here on the top of the shape. So I'm going to reduce the size and right click over here and send it to back like this. Okay, so I'm going to put it over here like this, guys. Now you'll find the shadow effect over here. Now one shadow effect you will have to also provide to this white shape. So I'm going to choose this white shape and choose a shadow options from the effect option and choose a presets of this one and make it blur. Like I'm going to choose the blurriness to this much, okay, or this much, and now I'm going to set the transparency to something 71 or something 75. Okay, this is enough. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create this shape, guys. So for creating this dot I'm going to choose insert option, and here insert option you will find the oval shape option. Just click on that and drag it like this to make this dot. Just press Ctrl D like this, select all this shape like this and choose align option and say align middle. Press G, Ctrl G to make a group and put it over here like this. Now fill it with a different color. So I'm going to choose this color for this, and now it's time to put the different text over here. So I'm going to copy it from the previous slide as well as this icon and press it over here, paste it over here, guys, by pressing Ctrl D. So this is the logic behind creating this particular infographics, guys. So I'm not going to explain the whole tutorial, guys. I will just explain the tutorial. I'll just explain the logic behind creating each and every infographics, guys. Okay, so once you're done with this shape, so what you have to do, you have the different color sample over here. So I'm going to select all this shape, press Ctrl G to make a single group over here and put it over here like this. For text you can see I'm using Calibri body and the size is 9, and for the heading text I'm using 720 cn. Okay, so this is the, again I'm using my favorite text over here. So I'm going to select this shape and press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy, put it over here like this, press Ctrl D and Ctrl D, select all these shapes, select arrange, and here you will find align option, save align middle. Okay, press Ctrl G and put all these shapes over here. Just right click over here and ungroup it. Now fill the different type of shapes with a different color, guys, and you will find a result like this. Okay, So this is how we can create this beautiful infographics, guys. I'm going to put the download link of this PPT inside the description box. You can use this PPT without any attributions and without any cost, guys. So just go there, download the PPT and use it into your project, guys. So thanks very much for watching the video, and if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. So your contribution is very important, guys, to us, to motivate us to create such beautiful and important infographics for you guys. So that's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching the video.